Hi there, it's Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, a small business in Abington. It's just me, and I came across your company, thought I'd shoot you this website. This screencast video, just going over your website, showing you how much traffic you're getting and how things work on Google. So I'm going to start with the front page of your website. The front page is the most powerful, so it drives most of the traffic to your website. Content. Google likes to see, this is nice to have a contact form for sure. It directs people to, put their name in, and submit forms are always helpful for sure. Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. It helps make you relatable. Within those 1,500 words of content, you want to see about 12 highly searched keyword phrases. So like tree removal, Northampton, tree services, Easton, like whatever areas you serve and whatever you do. You want to try to figure out how people are searching for them in the most popular ways, and then put those into your content so that it flows, especially on your front page. Even the way you save images counts as content. Google will crawl all over this and pick up those keywords. So you want to save your images as highly searched keywords as well. Gives you some more visibility. So the next thing I'll talk about is a map pack and citation. So I just did a Google search for tree service Northampton. There's many different ways people search for the same thing on Google, and one of the ways to optimize your website is to figure out like what is the most popular way that's being searched for what you want to do, and then to appear first on the first page for those search phrases. So you have your ads here, which are good. Google guaranteed ads are good. They can get a little pricey, but they generally do get you some leads. And then you have your map pack, and this is just kind of what I wanted to talk about. So being in the map pack will be helpful. It's high visibility. It's the first thing people see underneath the ads. And it also takes up a lot of space, 5 or 6 lines. On a mobile phone, it's a click to call and a click to your website, and even on some laptops too. In order to get here, you just fill out a Google business profile, which is just free. You just go through Google, and then once they verify you, you just have to get a lot of citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. And then you just check those on a monthly basis and make sure you're staying ahead of the game. And then over time you start to rank higher in the map pack. So statistically speaking, if you're top in the map pack and top business underneath the map pack, which is underneath all of these Yelps and stuff, which is this company, if you're in both those spots, you get around 70% of the search volume, give or take 5%. And that's a pretty good amount considering that the rest of the page is sharing the rest of that search volume. So in order to get here organically, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about trees and someone mentions your company. That website, your website that they click on, that's called the backlink. And the blog is what we call the referring domain. So I'm going to show you a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this is your website. So this is your power and trust, so it's just not showing right now. The backlinks, you have your domains, your keywords, and your traffic that you're bringing in. So I want to just show you your keywords, and I just want to show you a competitor. There wasn't much competition, so that's a good thing. If you were interested in, redesigning your website and bringing some more traffic. Like these are their backlinks and their domains, not that many. Their keywords, their traffic. There might be more competition as you broaden your area. Let's just see what keywords you're being found for. Okay, so none of these have buyer intent in them. That's probably why you're not getting a lot of traffic, because they all have something to do with your business or information, which isn't hurting you. It's just not helping you. You're looking for buyer intent keywords. Okay, so this is a buyer intent keyword. So this is your competitor, Tree Service Lehigh Valley, PA. That's 70 searches a month, which is good. The difficulty is 7. This goes all the way up to 100. 0 is the easiest in terms of time and money. And they're in spot 2. Let me just show you a couple other words. Tree removal Lehigh Valley, 50 searches. Tree trimming Lehigh Valley, 40 searches. Tree removal Lehigh Valley, 10. Some of these do have high KDs for their search volume, so it would be a little costly to go after them. Tree Service Easton, PA, 60 and 1. That's a great one. Tree removal Bethlehem, PA, 40 and 16. Tree Valley, Lehigh Valley Landscape, that's a good one, 40 and 3. Lehigh Valley Lumber, Tree Service Northampton, 30 and 2, that's another good one. So, even they're not in great spots for those. So I just kind of want to give you an idea of how Google works and the search volume that's out there. If you're interested in learning anything more about Christie's Leads, my door is always open. Just please reach out. I'd love to have a 10-minute conversation just to see, what path you're on, if we're a good fit. I do work within budgets and tailor plans specifically for each business. And if not, if the timing's not right, I do understand. I just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much and have a great day.